them? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Olivia's eating pears. Okay, they see everything, so I am uploading the video. Today's Sunday. I need to put my Instant Pot away. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it. What am I saying? I'm uploading today's whole week's worth of Vlogmas, so it's going to be a really long video. The rest of them are most likely not going to be that long.
With the breakfast sandwiches, can we have french fries?
No. So today's Sunday, so what does that mean?
Breakfast sandwich Sunday.
Breakfast sandwich Sunday. So Saturday nights we have pizza, Sunday morning we have breakfast sandwiches. It's really not healthy at all, right? But it's just like our weekend tradition. So Mike just went to get breakfast sandwiches. I'm getting like 12 million text messages. I'm on my phone. And this is taking forever to upload. So
Until 10. Dad, can I have some ketchup? Oh, yeah. Dad, can I have ketchup?
in God's name is that?
That is gravy cheesy tots.
Joe, can you sit with me?
I like legit have had to text my friend. I'm like having a panic attack and I know it's stupid. It's just a YouTube video, but like me and Amber, we have gone through so much just for this collaboration video to happen. Like my package was late and now my video won't, like it's like what, like YouTube will not process my video. It's 30 minutes long. Like I'm having a panic attack. Like my friend just like talked me through it, taking deep breaths. I had a glass of water. It's 1:20. I've been trying to upload this since I started uploading it at 9:30 and it will not. So when you upload a YouTube video, it uploads the video and then it has to process. Like, I don't know what that means. It just goes through a whole processing period, which usually doesn't take long at all. I've never in my life had this problem besides today. Like the day we were supposed to put both of our videos up at 10 o'clock. Like, my life, I can't. I'm so annoyed. So I'm trying to upload the same video. It's just like a mess and nothing's working. And I'm like, my internet's totally fine. Like everything's fine. It's a YouTube, like is clearly having a problem. So the video's finally up. this is what you're seeing for today. I'm so sorry. It's been since 9:30. It's 3:30. I've been trying to get the video up, and it's just because the Wi-Fi isn't working well. So I had to go down to Mike's parents' house and uploaded it there. And I've just been like, I was literally having a panic attack. Like, not even being dramatic. I had to like take deep breaths. And I know it's stupid, but like, it's just the fact. You know what I mean? It's not like what it is. It's like the fact that like I was collabing with Amber. Like, it was the one time like I need my video to go up like at a certain time on a certain day. Like any other time, you know what, whatever, I'll put it up tomorrow. I'm not gonna, but it's like the one time. So we need to get that figured out because this is Vlogmas. Every Vlogmas something goes wrong. The year before last, or no, it was last year. Was it? I think it was last year we were decorating the tree and Mike like literally just dropped my camera on the ground and I lost my mind. But it's all good. It's fine. I just feel like sick to my stomach.
Can that be my turn now? Mom, can that be my turn?
Yeah. You don't like that, sissy? On tonight's menu, we have Trader Joe's frozen orange chicken, and then we're gonna try Mexican street corn with a cotija cheese, which we just live and breathe and die for Mexican street corn. So, what happened? Did your Play-Doh fall?
Chicken is low.
You were making the chicken and it fell apart?
Yeah.
Man.
Mom, can you help me make a cheeseburger?
A cheeseburger, yeah, sure. 1 second, I just gotta put this chicken in the oven, okay? She's sleeping, baby. She's not?
Yeah.
She's crying?
She's been crying. Have you not been doing
I can't hear it. Go get her. Happy day, what's today? Day 7 or 8, I don't really know, of Vlogmas. I'm just gonna be like straight up. I thought that I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I've been really down lately. Like, I don't know, I've been in such a mood. Like, Mike yesterday was like, what is your problem? Like, I've just been in such a grumpy mood, and I don't know what it is. I'm just like being really down on myself, and there's a lot to it. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna get all the way into it. It's nothing like, I don't know. I just I've been really down on myself. I've been like picking myself apart. I've been like just feeling like I'm not good enough for like anything, and like constantly I'm just like talking to myself like that. And for a long time, like, I was just very like happy with who I am and love myself, and like I still am that way, but just the past couple of days, like we're going on a week now, I've just been in this like mood. So I am like committing myself to work out every day. I'm also just like not happy. I'm kind of like at a standstill with my weight loss. That's like one huge thing that just like makes me feel like crap about myself. My skin is like breaking out. I could just like go on and then those are just like examples of things that like aren't helping the situation. And I don't know. I've had a really crappy couple of days in my own head, you know, and I don't like it. So I thought I would just be honest about it, and let you know. I got a couple super, super cute messages from a couple of you guys that watched yesterday's vlog, and it just like, I told you how much it just like made my heart just fill up with like, it was just so nice. And like, none of you have to do that. And you know, I really like don't have to be doing this either, but it's like I said in my last video, it's like for myself. And it's just, this whole Vlogmas thing has just really taken a toll on me. And like, if you watch my Instagram stories, last month I like went on a tangent about my double chin, and like now that's all I can focus on, and now I'm like obsessing over my double chin. I'm like cuckoo today, like cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. So I think my mom's coming over in a little bit, and I'm gonna eat healthy today. I need to run to the grocery store before I get the boys. Olivia hasn't napped. She's playing with all my makeup, and this lip color is awful, so I need to go change that. I mean, this lighting is awful too, so you're not even getting like the true color of what here. Ooh, that's better. So I'm gonna go finish getting myself together, make my bed, have a snack, and hopefully I'll start feeling better. But I just wanted to, you know, if we're being real, I personally am someone that just like can't not be real. And just want to put it out there that I've been like so down on myself lately, and I don't like it, and I'm trying to get out of this funk, and hopefully I get out of it soon, because it's not the best place to be. Do it again. Yay! Woohoo! Enough of that. All right, we're going to get her ears checked. My cutie little baby pumpkin pie. We're going to get her ears checked at the doctor. All weekend she's been sticking her fingers in them. Come on, boo-boo. I do not know what is going on over here. She's been sticking. Get over here! I'll get that. I'll get that.
Hi.
Hi. Let's get your socks on. So I'm just gonna have them check her ears. She does have a history of ear infections, and so do her brothers. They both had to get tubes. Her older bro dogs. Good news, no ear infection. Little pumpkin pie. We are going to pick up Benjamin and then get Michael off the bus. So we are all over the place. I tried a new technique with my makeup today and I hate it. Don't you love when that happens? All right, so I guess I'll show you my my mantle, whatever it's called. Am I okay? So we have our mirror up here. Hello, how are you? And we have this garland, which I actually got at Christmas tree shop. I got another one from Home Goods that's on another part. I'll show you that later. So these beautiful little deer are from Home Goods as well. And then all of the like stocking holders. What is this? Hello? Oh, is that coming from Santa? The stocking holders are from Home Goods as well. Oh my God, I'm stepping on Olivia's toy. So we got all of these stockings from Zulily, and I love them. So all the kids are in red, and then Mike and I are in green, and they're so much cheaper than the Pottery Barn ones. And I actually, 2 of my friends last year had a super problem with Pottery Barns. They like spelt their kid's name totally wrong. It was like totally off, like not centered. So I'm super happy with ours from Zulily. I just think they're so cute with the plaid. So poor Libby's all the way down here by herself. So this also, I just threw this up here because the kids got it out of the drawer or out of a box of Christmas stuff, and I didn't want them to hurt it. This isn't going to stay here, but we got that super cute reindeer treats from Christmas Tree Shop. These are from Home Goods. They stay up here all year round because they just go with everything. And then I got these faux candle sticks from Home Goods as well. This mirror is from Home Goods. And then our little Santa man is a vintage antique. He's not really supposed to go there, but someone just plopped him on there. So that's the little overview of our mantle. Super cute. This is annoying me. I feel like I have more deer to put up, but I kind of like the simplicity of it.
What?
This isn't like staying the right way. We have Snuggle Baby home from school. In God's name is that?
Done.
Oh, that smells really good. Is that the watermelon one? Can you blow a bubble?
No.
Why?
I just can't.
Okay. I'm just showing them our cute
We got this a year
mantle.
ago.
Got what a mantle. Got what a year ago. Oh, we got those two or 3 years ago, and then we ordered Olivia's
Like a year ago.
so that she had one.